So basically, Fantes have different ways they prepare their fish. Okay, so we have the Fante. Hey, I am bad. You are going to cook a 6 people a day now. You come on, say you want. Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cooking with Sindaco, and I'm back again. So in today's video, we will prepare one of the favorite food in the coastal area of Ghana, especially central region. This food is mostly eaten by the seamen and also a healthy food on the Fante land. So now I'm in Ekon and here's where the cooking will be taking place. But before that, we have to go to Ola to get some fresh pulling net fish. The food is called boiled fish with Gari, but the chef named it steamed fish. I hope you like this video. If this is the first time watching, kindly share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Let's do this. So we went to the seaside to get some fresh fish, but since the pulling net or the tree, which is not local, wasn't ready, we had to wait. So basically, to be a seaman or fisherman is not easy. I will be bringing you episodes of video about seaman's life. So make sure you follow the page, subscribe to the YouTube channel so that I don't miss anything. So it goes on like that, like a tag of war kind of. Hello brothers, sisters. Yeah, I'm at town. Anyway, I'm at town. We should be coming. Yo, we're Fante. Yo, yeah, it's this trip is a fantastic and become. And Cabrofubia. I want the subtitles, you know. Yo, as they go around town. So we came to buy fresh fish, and we waited the whole day to get a fish. And our if you're for sure. It's yeah, we're heading towards a friend. Get to boom. Yeah, so we are in the farms and we're getting some fresh pepper. As I keep saying, Africa is really blessed. Any time of the day, you can go to the farm to get some fresh stuff. So fresh pepper. Fresh. Over there we have cassava, plantain, banana, everything. Just name it. Also, as I keep saying, Fante is done here, yeah? Almost 90%. Yeah, it's in better man or church, you know. Making sure that we take all the skills out and everything before we proceed with the cooking, yeah? I not see this one. So we have this over here. There are 4 different types of fish, yeah? So basically, we are the seaside, as I said. So basically, we need only the fish, the pepper and onion. Okay, nothing else. Yeah, so while the fish is ready now, we are now making sure that we prep our onion and pepper. Then I go also inside. Yeah, better man and son. So we first chop our onion inside the pan or the pot that we'll be using for to boil the fish. The pepper goes in like that. We are the seaside and this is the local stuff, how they do their stuff over here. Man, there's certain things you can't change from the community or from the locals. This is how they do it. So after the pepper and onion have been prepped, we chop our fish into 2, we divide them into 2, cut them into 2, then we place on top of the onion and the pepper. Goes in like that. Yeah, no tomatoes will be added to this, just pepper and onion. So this is a different kind of, this is not fancy, it's different day, but just for friend day. It's a friend day, especially your friend day. For friend day, whatever your friend day. For friend and I'm near. Hashtag nobody knows. Okay, so first layer, basement, onion, pepper, fish comes on top. Now you're adding the onion on top of this one, then I believe pepper will come, then the next fish, set of fish will also come. Wow. I not see no more son. Then different sets of fish come on top again. So we're adding salt to the fish. So this is the last layer and the fish. Now we have the onion coming on top and the pepper also. So like that. And after this, go straight on fire, yeah? So just the rest of fish, onion, pepper and salt. and you have your fancy kind of food. Anybody? Gari and everybody. Gari. Okay.
If you want kenke, you can.
So ever Gari waffle. I know what.
One Gari waffle. I need to Gari waffle and young fancy. And I fake fancy.
So a food like this, fresh food, fresh fish, gives you full vitamins and nutrients, man. This is what differentiates Fante from the other tribes. Such a very simple food, organic and healthy. Well, let's spread it over. That's it. So as you can see, okay, so a little bit of water added on top, like that. Okay. And that set of sauce in added, which added water to it. Very simple and like quick recipe that I can prepare at home. So she's marking the bucket anyway. We're in a bucket. So she's so. And I don't know what to do. Oh, your bucket today one. How many times will your bucket? Piqua. Not before name design.
The design powerful.
I design powerful. Actually, the design will be my design. So business trade O2. Ju2. Ah, okay, Ju2. Okay, Ju2. Okay. And so we are what to do. Okay, so it's been like 7-10 minutes, and these are the steps and the process. So it's done like this. I can jump on 8 hours. It's a boy. So this is the food and the Gari for you. Wow. Taking a better than Sana.
Chop time no friend.
Amen. I'll call him.
I say a mom pie.
Yeah, I'm you got it. Maybe you have one no paper.
Yes, a woman.
So it goes in like that. You dip inside.
And you know, all day you make a
it is some kind of. It is some. So as I said, you have to dip in like fufu kind of, you know. No, I know that's so.
The way in there,
wow, man, this is a fresh food. I think people tell you.
Not yes, man.
Wow.
I'm share them.
Gari, no problem.
It's so you have no better one. 200 we don't know.
And I'm not fresh. No, nice. Nice, but Mokoni Yamoa. You say that you could not do that now. Very calcium. Yeah, calcium. Pure hygienic, pure nutritious vitamins, man, just name it.
Aphrodisiac. Herbal and medicinal health.
Man, Man, those are the seaside. Man, don't play with them. I keep saying because they eat good. I say, wow. It's many of them. Well, I'm actually a Fante for no. I confirm the Fante for 90% to me. Oh, how true? Do we ever come there? 90% of Fante. Hey, Fante only means bringing no one trophy, and also trophy so ya quadri.
No, I'm
No. So I Fante can press todo or you because on normal. Yeah, man, I'm enjoying myself, and as you can see, very easy. The only thing that you have to have is your fresh fish. And but you're being fresh fish with my still.
Eat fresh fish never too diet.
Okay, so record straight sets, you know, or they have fresh fish to do this. Anyway, so please, to do this, you need to have a fresh fish. And man, I'll call you out there, yeah?
And I'm okay to deep freeze.
I say it is not some. I say.
I don't know bet you another book.
Okay.
I'm going to see beer and Nampa, Papa, another beer.
Anytime fish enters into the freezer, the only way you can use it is to fry or to smoke it. Yeah, it's Alright, man, if this is the first time watching, can you subscribe? Turn on notification so be notified when new video drops. Let me say again for Shizzle my niggas. I'm out. Alright, one.